Step number 1, copy this link. Step number 2, paste it directly over here and click on shorten. Step number 3, get 1,000 people to your ClickBank offer. Step 4, get results like this. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step everything that you must do, and I'm going to give you tons of free websites and most importantly, how to promote a ClickBank product successfully. And make sure to watch until the end because I'm going to show you how you can completely automate ClickBank sales and make passive income with this without a website. The reason I'm making this video is to document my journey, how I made money on ClickBank passively without a website completely for free, and to hopefully give you the tips, tricks, and insights that you can use as well to make money with ClickBank without a website. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online, ranging from affiliate marketing, drop shipping, ClickBank affiliate products, drop servicing, e-commerce, trading. So if you want to get a valuable daily free training and video from me every single day, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification button so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. Before we get straight into this, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like down below. It really pumps me up to make content like this for you guys every single day. When I see the likes and positive comments down below, you're welcome to leave a comment down below asking me any question. I'm going to reply to every single comment, and also you're welcome to ask me any questions on Instagram. I'll leave a link down below if you want to follow me and message me, as I love seeing and hearing all of your ideas and want to help you out as much as possible so that I can bring out the best possible content for you guys that you want to watch. And I'm going to do an awesome giveaway quickly before we get started. I want you to comment down below what your favorite place or a place that you've always wanted to travel, whether it's islands, snowy places, winter, summer, Antarctica, you name it. Comment down below a place that you've always wanted to travel. In tomorrow's video, I will announce or choose maybe the place that I like the most, or just a random place from the comments down below, and I will give you a lucky $30 to your PayPal account or Bitcoin wallet if PayPal is not supported in your country, which I'll announce the winner in tomorrow's video. So make sure to be subscribed to see tomorrow's video to see who wins, and don't forget to comment down below your favorite holiday location. And without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time and let's get straight into this. So over here on the screen, you want to come over straight to clickbank.com. Just to quickly recap, if you are new to my videos or new to affiliate marketing, you need to click on the sign up button on the top right. If you want to create a new ClickBank account, just enter your country, first name, phone number, email, password, continue to the terms and conditions, agree with them, and you'll be able to sign up into your account. Over here, you'll eventually be able to log in, and on the back end of your account, it looks like this over here. So here you've got Marketplace on the top right, which is the option that you want to click on, and over here you will see all the categories to all the products that you can go and promote. So firstly, ClickBank is a database with people all over the world that list their products that we can go and promote their products for them and earn a commission for that. That's basically ClickBank in a nutshell. And the best thing about the strategy that I'm going to show you on how to make money on ClickBank without a website, you don't have to knuckle down to any niche. You can use any category that you like. So if you're passionate about something or have knowledge in a specific field, go and choose one of these fields or categories over here and choose something that you enjoy. If you're a fitness freak, go and do health and fitness products. If you're an entrepreneur, go and do business and investing or e-business and marketing. If you're a teacher, go and do education products. I recommend choose something that you're passionate about, as ultimately whatever you're doing in life, you want to be happy doing that. So in this case, I'm passionate about business and health and fitness as well. For the example of this video, I'm going to use the health and fitness niche as it's something I always like to promote. There's always new and interesting products coming up over here. So once you click on health and fitness over here, you will see all the health and fitness products over here that we can go and promote. So we've got over here the Okinawa Belly Fat Tonic, which is obviously a product that helps with losing belly fat. You will get $147 commission every time you sell this product over here. This is actually one of my favorite products to promote right now, the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. A lot of females tend to like this product, as the goal of a lot of most females is to lose weight, with men as well. So this product applies to everyone, but I find the majority of my audience is females buying this product. Is basically a 21-day entire program how now you can lose weight with healthy smoothies. People love smoothies, and at the same time it's healthy and it's not that expensive, so I find that's why a lot of people buy this. This kind of product is in its sweet spot. You can see over here it has a gravity of 257, which is really high. That means 257 people made commissions on this product in the last month. So that is something you want to take note of, because that means the product's working, other people are selling it, meaning people are liking the product and coming back to it and obviously buying more. And like I mentioned, you don't need a website. We're not going to be creating our own website. The only website you need is the actual website of this product. So if you click on the smoothie diet over here, it's going to take you to the landing page over here. And this landing page over here selling the product is done for you. It's been specifically programmed and designed for you as an affiliate to go and promote. So you don't need to go and create your own website. We don't need Builderall. We don't need Kartra or ClickFunnels or WordPress or anything like that. We are going to make money with this without a website and up to $1,000 a day with the traffic method that I'm going to show you over here. So yeah, you can see immediately get $10 off. It's flashy in your face. So this kind of thing over here. So this kind of sales technique also helps convert. And this is actually a really, really good sales page. They've got testimonials over here of people that lost weight that are succeeding with this, and how you can just lose weight in 21 days with proof. So when these kind of products can show proof, that as well has a huge conversion rate. So this is why something like this really sells. So what you're going to do is you're going to come back to ClickBank over here. Just click on the promote button over here of your smoothie diet. Click on generate hop links over here. Copy this hop link. You can either highlight it, right click copy, or click copy over here. You want to come over to this website over here called bit.ly. It's a URL shortener just to make your link look more unique and neater, and you can also track the amount of clicks it gets for analysis purposes. So all you want to do is right click, paste your link over here, click on shorten, and here you can see is your brand new short link. So just to quickly show you, if I open this in a new tab, paste my short link in the browser and click on enter, here you can see it takes me straight to the landing page, which is perfect. As you can see on the link, it's linked to my ClickBank account. So now when somebody buys this smoothie program, I get, I think it was over here, $28 commission. Now that's not a lot. So the $28 is not a lot of money, but if you can get 10 people to this program every week, that's $280 a week. If you can do it every day, that's $280 a day. That's a lot of extra money. So this kind of thing, volume is important, which I'm going to show you how to master. So the next step is you want to come over to Google over here and just follow with me. Make sure you search the following: best smoothie recipe, and click on enter over here, and just go and choose, for example, the over here, 20 best smoothie recipes. Click on this article in a new tab. Now I'm actually going to show you a bot tool that is literally going to automate this for you. It is absolutely crazy, one of the most underrated programs, and I've been talking about it quite a bit in my latest videos on my channel, because I definitely think it's something that you must capitalize on. So over here you can see, if I scroll down, all we want to go and look for over here, we can use this little tutorial over here, how to make a great smoothie, and they give you 5 easy tips on how to create a great smoothie. The next step is we just want to leave this open here in a tab for now. It's going to make sense. Make sure to keep watching, and we want to come over to this website over here called invideo.io, which is a bot tool or a program that can automatically turn text into full-on videos, such as TikToks, YouTube videos, YouTube story videos, YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, available for us to go and promote. And it's very high engaging kind of content with pictures, text, songs, everything done for you, just converted from the click of a button from text. It is a huge, powerful tool, and I recommend just take a look at how this works. Firstly, you want to click on text to video over here. Click on the vertical option. The reason we want to use vertical is we're actually going to make use of TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Those are honestly the 3 easiest ways to go viral right now: is Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos. Make sure to write that down and keep that in mind for any kind of affiliate marketing purposes. And over here, if you want to scroll down, you can go and look for any kind of template that you want to use. I usually just use this blank blue template over here. It's the best one. It applies to any niche. So just click on it, click on use this template over here. And over here is where the magic happens. So we need to enter our headline, but just take a look at this. Super easy. Come back to your article, just highlight this title over here, literally right click copy and paste this in your title, and that's your title done. It's copy paste easy. And then for the video, you just want to copy these bullet points over here, just like this, paste it over here on your story, and maybe just number it. So go number 1, and then over here we can go number 2, number 4, and just make sure all of these are labeled up to number 5, so it's easy and numbered points. And then what you want to do is you just want to click on enter and type number 6, click link in bio / description to to get over 21. Over here, just to recap, click on link in bio to get over 21 ultimate weight loss smoothies. And at the end of your video, you want to make sure that you have this call to action, because this is what's going to redirect all the traffic to your affiliate offer. You want to click on auto suggest images over here, so it will actually auto suggest images based on your content. All you're going to do is click on next over here, click on rearrange text, as it will help you rearrange the text, and click on next finally, and it will load all of this text into a perfect YouTube short, TikTok and Instagram reel video. I do want you to take note, I have not paid any subscription fee for Kartra, Builderall, WordPress or internet hosting. So far I've used all the available free tools literally on Google. Google is such a powerful tool, guys. Like, you can find anything that you want on Google. Free courses, free education, free tools, you name it, everything is there. Google is literally your new mom, so I want you to pay attention to this content and utilize these kind of tools to ultimately build a business and maximize your earnings from it. So over here you can see this is now loaded, and take a look at this. So over here for scene number 1, you can see this video is now playing with the heading how to make a great smoothie. It heads straight into number 1, choose a liquid base, and then basically the instructions on how to do that. Some more instructions, and then number 2, start with frozen fruits. Number 3, add vegetables. Number 4, consider adding healthy, and all the instructions over here. Number 5, and finally superfood protein add-ins and a bit more. And then number 6, the most important one over here, click the link in bio description to get over 21 ultimate weight loss smoothies. This video is complete. All I suggest you do is just click on preview all over here on the top right, and it will play the entire video for you, just so that you can proofread it and make sure that everything is correct. If something is wrong, you can come back to each scene over here, change the text and just readjust it. Once you're ready to download, click on download and share on the top right over here, and click on export on the blue button, and it will automatically render like this. Take a couple of minutes, I would say between 2 to 5 minutes, and it will download directly to your PC, where you can post and use this content anywhere. So over here you can see it's busy rendering. It will stay on 2% for the next 2 to 3 minutes when it will be done. And over here you can see my video has finally rendered and ready to download. Once you're ready, click on the blue download option over here, and it will download straight to your PC. And the next step is you want to come over to YouTube over here, and I want to show you an example of somebody new doing this YouTube Shorts channel. I'm going to show you the perfect example of TikToks now as well. But this is just to give you an idea on what you need to do. So over here you can see on their shorts playlist over here, this channel is posting YouTube shorts, I would say every second day, and they're getting anywhere between, it looks like 1 and 2,000 views. Some of them blowing up to 32k views, 16k views, 11k views. So the great thing about YouTube shorts is it's very volatile. It's a lot more volatile than that of normal YouTube videos. The thumbnails aren't loading just because my internet's a bit slow today, but the reason why YouTube shorts can blow up much faster is because with the whole hype around them, the new YouTube Shorts app, they get a lot more views, they pop up on a lot more people's feeds, and they're a lot more volatile in terms of virality than a normal YouTube video. As you can see over here, his normal YouTube videos are only like 800 views, 1k, but his YouTube Shorts are like 4k, 6k, 11k, 32k, 9.7k, 16k. YouTube Shorts videos with short, quick minute tutorials are getting a lot more views than that of normal videos. So what you want to do is, when uploading a YouTube Shorts, I'm going to quickly show you, click on the uploads tab on your YouTube channel over here, and I'll actually take you throughout the process and upload the video that you have downloaded on your PC that you've just created. So what you want to do is just delete all of this description. This is all just entered by default, and for the title you want to type the following, the same title as your video, how to make a great smoothie, and you can put in brackets, change your smoothie game forever. And the important part for the description, you want to have your link to your affiliate link. So over here you just want to type the following: 21-day smoothie diet challenge. Click colon, click on enter, and just come back to bit.ly over here where we shortened our link. Copy your shortened URL, come back to the YouTube page over here and paste that just like that. For your thumbnail, you don't have to worry about that. My video is just still busy uploading. You can just use one of the default templates that it produces for you. Thumbnails with YouTube Shorts is not actually that important, and you just want to make sure that you have YouTube hashtag shorts at the end of your title. Don't forget that, because that's what registers your video as a YouTube short over here. So what you can then go and do is you can go click on next over here, maybe just add a couple of tags like how to make a smoothie. You can go onto Google and just search YouTube tag generator and just generate some tags and paste that into your video, and click on next over here and go and upload, and obviously do all your checks and everything like that. And once that's done, you can also go and use TikTok. So what I did was I searched up on TikTok just smoothie videos, and I found some videos. Obviously this is homemade recorded content by people, but it's a great idea to get influence if you want to get these ingredients yourself. Just show people how to make smoothies, like literally recording with your phone like that. And I mean, these videos are getting 13 million views, 20 million views, 1.9 million, 397k. And at the end, you can just say to people, link in bio for 21-day smoothie challenge. And with 2 million views, you will get tons of clicks on that bio. So this is a great way to get tons of traffic every single day. And I mean, 2.3 million views, if 0.01% of those people convert into sales, that's over $1,000 a day just in sales on your affiliate link. You haven't created a website, you haven't paid for Kartra or for Builderall and took the time to make your own funnels. All of these tools are available right here on the internet for you to take action with. And thirdly, you can go and use Instagram Reels if you want to. But what I'm going to do is, just to help you guys out even more, I'll leave a link in the description, and the last 30 seconds of this video, I'll add a playlist over here for you. But before I add that quickly, I just quickly want to announce the winner of yesterday's Drop Servicing University Challenge or program. That's this person on the screen over here. Well done to you. Like I mentioned in today's video, you need to comment down below your favorite place that you want to travel. Let's see who's got the most interesting places. And in tomorrow's video, I will choose a random comment to win $30. So make sure to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. But over here on the screen, I'll just leave a playlist to help you guys out even more with specific ClickBank affiliate marketing. This is my ClickBank Money 2021 playlist with all my best ClickBank videos that I've uploaded in the past 2 years. So if you want to learn more strategies like this to maximize your ClickBank earnings, make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.